Hello ladies and gentlemen of YouTube, my name is Brad. This is my channel Animal Orange, and this week in 3D metal model news. I woke up to a bit of a surprise this morning. Somebody had already beat me on Instagram to the news that there are 3 new things on Metal Earth's or Fascinations Coming Soon page. First of all, we have an Iconics model of Optimus Prime Western Star 5700 truck in color. Very interesting looking. There's also a Metal Earth model of the Burrows, which, if I'm not mistaken, is the Weasley's house in Harry Potter, and also a Star Wars Death Star, which I had heard of someone who had received the Death Star as a sample model to test out. Looks like it's going to be a thing, which is kind of exciting. I kind of wonder how much can you really do with the ball, but you know, I'll take it. It's another Star Wars model, add to the collection. Quick note, if you hear some strange noises in the background, specifically motorcycle engines, it is Roar on the Shore in my town this week, which is basically the equivalent of Bike Week, so there's often a lot of loud traffic going by, and it's either deal with it or don't do this video at all. So I do apologize if there is any noise during this video. There's just really nothing I can do about it at this point. Now, interestingly enough, I was able to get the Maple MU or MU's website to come up today rather easily, and I noticed quickly looking around on that page was a model I had not noticed before, a model labeled the Monkey King. Now, I am aware that Peace Cool has their version of the Monkey King that has been around for quite a while, but I had not noticed one from MU previously. Now, looking around on AliExpress, I could not find it, so I'm kind of led to believe that this is an upcoming model perhaps. It's possible that I just wasn't able to find it and it's out there somewhere, but I can't really tell because I don't read Chinese and only so much of it will translate in Google Chrome. But it looks like it's one I haven't noticed before, so it looks like an interesting new model. It's definitely a different design from the Peace Cool Monkey King, so that's something to keep an eye out for. Looking over at AliExpress, I did notice several new models on a couple of different pages. One of which I have seen a review of on the Metal Earth subreddit, and that is Microworld's Covenant of Roses, which basically looks like a picture frame, and it's flat and it's made up of different pieces, and it looks really different and really interesting, and I do kind of want to get it. And of course I'll put links to some of these down in the description below. Another that I saw on Reddit was the MU Legend of Quinn figure in red, gold, and silver. I don't believe I've noticed that one previously, and it's listed in a new arrivals section on one of the pages that I follow, as well as a Microworld blue mosque building. Very subtle blue color, very interesting. So many reds and yellows here lately. It was interesting to see something a little more subtle, and it's a building. I don't usually talk a lot about buildings. I usually get more excited about Star Wars models and big figures, but this one looks really neat, so I thought I'd point it out. And there's also a King Glory Arthur, as it's put, just King Arthur I assume. Doesn't say who makes the model. It doesn't say if it's MU or Microworld, so I can't really tell in the listing that I found, but I will again put a link in the description down below so you can check it out for yourself. And those are some of the new things I saw in a quick search on AliExpress this morning. Now, going back to Metal Earth, something that I've been keeping an eye out for, there's been rumors going around that there is models that are exclusive, Metal Earth models exclusive to the Shanghai Disney Resort, including the Shanghai Disney Castle, which I have seen someone post that on Instagram, and I also hear there's a Donald Duck, a Goofy, and a Pluto also available on one of the 3, and I believe it was Donald Duck. I have seen a picture of the model. I've not been able to find them with Disney. They are very exclusive about where you can buy those models. It's typically from the park. Sometimes they'll show it online, but this being Shanghai exclusive, just you can't even find it online. I'm hoping that someday they'll pop up on eBay and they'll be a little easier to get, but at this point one can only hope. I was able to make it through that entire video with almost no motorcycle noise in the background, so that's very cool. Running a little late today, so I'll keep it pretty short. As always, that's the news for this week. As always, thank you for watching. If you enjoy these videos, consider becoming a Patreon supporter. A small amount helps a great deal, and I do thank you, those of you who do support this channel. Thank you very much for your support, for helping make these videos and these models possible. Thank you for watching, and keep on keeping on.